Tile roofs can be a challenging roof for solar installations. Different types vary all over the world. In the US, most modern tile roofs are built with a standard wood truss system, solid plywood, waterproofing underlayment, and then concrete tiles. To help ease tile roof solar installations, K2 recently launched a whole line of tile hook products, and now K2 is adding tile replacement flashings to the mix. This series of flashings is designed for common flat tile, S-tile, and W-tile profiles. Simple yet innovative, these replacement tile flashings are extremely easy to install with features that slip and lock into the tiles. When cap and pan style flashings interlock similarly to tiles, the weight of the tiles can cause the bottom row of flashings to curl upward. This not only creates an eyesore to the aesthetics of the roof, but it also creates an invitation for water, debris, and animal nesting. To avoid these issues, the EverFlash tile replacement flashings from K2 have a cap on both sides with a wider flashing to cover the full extent of the tile. This results in a much easier installation process that only requires lifting the top row of tiles just enough to slip the flashing into place, whereas cap and pan style flashings need the side tile also lifted to be interlocked. A second feature that keeps the flashing in place are the built-in secure tabs on each side of the flashing. This feature allows for 2 additional securement points on each corner of the tile, locking it into place. Tabs on the face of the S-tile and W-tile also allow for hooks to easily pass through without the need for cutting. The flashing designs divert water away from the penetration to keep the roof free from water intrusion. The EverFlash tile replacement flashings are compatible with all tile hooks. Try K2's new flashings on your next tile installation.